Traveling with your camera gear is tough, especially when it's bulky, heavy, and awkward. It's challenging to find a comfortable way to carry camera gear without breaking it. This is where travel cases come in handy. They can protect your valuable equipment and keep it organized in one convenient place. A good travel case for the camera will keep your gear safe from knocks and bumps in transit. There are many products available to choose from. Best travel case for camera gear, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best travel case for camera gear from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nanik 935 Waterproof Carry-On Hard Case. The Nanik 935 Waterproof Carry-On Hard Case is a rugged, lightweight and easy-to-use camera travel case. The 935 has been designed with features that will make your life easier while traveling or storing your camera gear. It's a waterproof carry-on hard case that protects cameras, lenses, and accessories. The Nanik 935 case makes it easy to keep all your gear safe and accessible, so you can focus on what's important. The Nanik 935 has a rugged exterior design and a two-stage retractable pull handle, so it's easy to carry when you're on the go. The Nanik 935 is made of impact-resistant material to withstand accidental drops and bumps. The exterior of this case is made from high-quality material, making it highly durable and water-resistant, IP67 rated, making it ideal for carrying in inclement weather conditions, such as rain or snow. The Nanik 935 features a cubed foam insert to customize it to your specific camera gear and protect it. The insert also includes a convoluted egg crate foam lid insert. Plus, the solid base layer helps keep the bottom of the bag stable. The Nanik 935 has interior padded dividers that allow you to pack multiple lenses or other accessories without them falling out when the case opens up fully. The Nanik 935 is made in Canada from 100% high-quality materials, including heavy-duty nylon power claw and high-quality stainless steel hardware. The Nanik 935 waterproof carry-on hard case is available in 8 different colors, including black, blue, orange, red, yellow, silver, olive, and graphite. Pros: sturdy, durable construction. Waterproof, shockproof, dustproof. Polyurethane wheels make it easy to roll and carry. Integrated slide locks for extra security and protection. Number 2. Caden Camera Backpack for Mirrorless Camera. The Caden Camera Backpack bag is one of the best travel camera bags for beginners and professionals alike. It is suitable for a DSLR, SLR mirrorless camera, accessories, and lenses. This backpack is made of high-quality material and has a large capacity. It is an excellent choice for travelers who love to take pictures on their travels. Caden Camera Backpack features customizable 7-layered inner padding. The padding is shockproof with an 18mm thickness to protect the internal camera and lenses. It has a large inner section where you can place your camera, lenses, or other accessories. This camera backpack offers a front zipper pocket and a stretchable side mesh pocket to hold a photography magazine and a water bottle. It also offers a mesh pocket on the left side of the bag with a fixed fastening strap to firmly hold the camera tripod. This Caden Camera Backpack features 2 comfortable, breathable shoulder straps for a comfortable carrying experience. Pros: shockproof, dustproof, and water-resistant. Durable and scratch-proof. Lightweight and easy to carry. Long-lasting with reinforced stitching. Large capacity bag with various detachable Velcro spacers to hold gears. Comes in different colors and sizes. Number 3. Tarion Large Capacity Camera Backpack. This rugged travel camera bag is designed to protect your DSLR camera, lenses, and other accessories during your next adventure. It is one of the best camera backpacks on the market. The padded interior compartment holds everything clean, while adjustable straps keep it secure. Take this bag anywhere without fear of damage. Best of all, its lightweight design makes hiking or biking easy. Review highlights. The Tarion Large Capacity Camera Backpack features padded sections that provide ample storage space. The padded compartments are detachable and safe enough to hold and protect 1 camera, 1 flash trigger, and 6 lenses. It is a multi-purpose backpack. You can remove the padded dividers and use the bag as a school or transport backpack. The backpack also offers a sizable inner laptop section to accommodate a 15-inch laptop. It comes with a rain cover that provides extra protection to the gears during heavy rain. The backpack has padded straps for comfort and is adjustable for length. It also offers an internet pocket with a zipper where you can place essentials like a mobile, charger, headphones, etc. Pros: dustproof, waterproof, and Number 4. Masiso Camera Backpack. The Masiso Camera Backpack is a DSLR or mirrorless camera bag with a tripod holder and a laptop compartment. It is made of thick canvas material and has padded shoulder straps. There are several compartments in this backpack to organize your camera gear. It is the best camera bag for photographers who travel with their DSLR, mirrorless camera, and lenses. The Masiso Camera Backpack has an outer cover made of sturdy materials with foam padding inside. In case of accidental drops, the hard shell exterior protects the bag and camera equipment. It is detachable padded spacers. You can customize the interior space by making suitable compartments to accommodate cameras and other gear. It offers a small secret pocket on the back where you can place valuable items like mobile phones, wallets, etc. This travel camera bag has a special pocket on the left side to hold the camera tripod. The point has a strong strap that holds the tripod firmly. The backpack also features an elastic side mesh pocket on the right side of the bag. You can use it for holding a water bottle, an umbrella, or whatever you feel is necessary, maybe some snacks or drinks. There is a clip on one of the adjustable shoulder straps. You can use that clip to hang our spectacles, towels, caps, etc. Pros: waterproof, shockproof, and durable. Adjustable and breathable shoulder straps. Available in various colors. Several built-in pockets to secure small objects. Simple design, gender-neutral. Cons: poor zipper construction. Heavier than other camera bags. Number 5. Loapro ProTactic BP 450AW2 Camera Bag. The Loapro ProTactic 450AW2 backpack is a great camera bag for travel. It has a versatile design and features that will meet any photographer's needs. The bag has a large main compartment that can hold up to 153 laptops, tablets, and cameras. It is also one of the best camera backpacks for any day trip or vacation. The Loapro ProTactic BP 450AW camera bag has form shell technology that provides excellent protection for the cameras, lenses, and other accessories. The built-in form shell technology also protects the bag in all weather with its water-resistant and dust-proof features. It features customizable padded spacers in its interior. You can use the spacers to make suitable compartments for placing cameras, lenses, and other gear. The backpack offers 2 quick lock straps to hang different items, and a pouch to hold a water bottle. The bag also offers a tripod cup support to grip the camera tripod. It features padded, breathable, adjustable shoulder straps and a waist belt for maximum comfort. It also features a laptop compartment where you can easily place a 15-inch laptop. Pros: large space capacity. Durable and hard wearing. Waterproof, shockproof, and dustproof. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.